Objectives. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to 1. Describe the characteristics of data that are inputted in series. 2. Enter a series of data through the use of the AutoFill command. Data in series is a collection of related data. The series may contain a set of copies of particular data, or it may contain a collection of data that increments or decrements at specific intervals. AutoFill, a spreadsheet feature that allows you to automatically input a series of data. AutoFill is applied by dragging the fill handle. The fill handle is a small box located at the lower right corner of the active cell. When you place the mouse pointer over the fill handle, the pointer will change into a crosshair pointer. Entering a series of text. AutoFill can be used to create copies of the text contained in the selected cell. The copies of the text can be placed on the cell next to the selected cell. Drag the fill handle either horizontally or vertically to place copies of the text. In addition to AutoFill, fill right and fill down commands can be used to create copies of text contained in a cell. The fill right command is used to duplicate the contents of the cell at left of the active cell. Fill down command is used to duplicate the contents of the cell above the active cell. To enter a series of text. 1. Click on the cell that contains the first data. 2. Position the mouse pointer over the fill handle. 3. Drag the mouse towards the desired number of cells you want to fill with data. 4. Release the mouse. Text and number combination. Text is a type of data that is a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. In a worksheet, text is commonly used as labels of numeric data. Text is also used to represent codes such as student identification and product codes. These types of data usually contain a string of letters followed by a number. Spreadsheet allows you to generate a sequence of these codes. To enter a series of data that contains a string of letters and a number. 1. Type the first data in the series. 2. Move the cell pointer back to the cell containing the first data. 3. Click and drag the fill handle. 4. Release the mouse. To enter text data in series with specific intervals. 1. Type the first and the second data in the series. 2. Highlight the cells containing the first and second data in the series. 3. Drag the fill handle. 4. Release the mouse. Entering a series of numbers. Using AutoFill, you can automatically input numbers in the worksheets. You can either copy the data or create a list of numbers with specific intervals. To copy numeric data into adjacent cells. 1. Type the number on a cell. 2. Move the cell pointer to the cell containing the number you want to copy. 3. Hold the Control key and drag the fill handle. 4. Release the mouse. To enter a series of numbers with specific intervals. 1. Type the number on a cell. 2. Drag the fill handle. 3. Release the mouse. Entering a series of date and time. Spreadsheet can automatically insert a series of data and time values to adjacent cells through the use of AutoFill. By default, The interval for date is 1 day, while the interval for time is 1 hour. To enter a series of dates: 1. Type the date on a cell. 2. Move the cell pointer to the cell containing the data. 3. Drag the fill handle. 4. Release the mouse. To create a list of dates with specific interval: 1. Type first and second date values in the series. 2. Highlight the 2 cells. 3. Drag the fill handle. 4. Release the mouse. Entering a series of time. To enter a series of time values: 1. Type the time on a cell. 2. Move the cell pointer to the cell containing time data. 3. Drag the fill handle. 4. Release the mouse. To create a list of time values with specific intervals: 1. Type the first and second time values in the series. 2. Highlight the 2 cells. 3. Click and drag the fill handle. 4. Release the mouse. Question time. What is this? It is a collection of related data. The answer is data in series. What is this? It is a spreadsheet feature that allows you to automatically input a series of data. The answer is AutoFill. What is this? It is a command used to duplicate the content of the cell at the left of the active cell. The answer is the fill right command. What is this? It is a command used to duplicate the content of the cell above the active cell. The answer is the fill down command.